After a mild weekend of weather, we start the week wet and then it's sunshine and showers. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up. Good morning, Britain.
Monday, 20...
Drizzly. It's what we used to call filthy weather outside.
But I made it warm at the weekend. Can we just all remember that? Because I think we've forgotten.
A glimpse of sunshine yesterday.
But it's still mild.
It is still mild, and it's not going to be as warm for the rest of the week, but it's turning more unsettled. Here's the details.
OK.
Yes, temperatures were way above average this weekend across the UK. Western areas of Europe have had a mild air sitting there. Worth pointing out a big contrast. Eastern areas of Europe 10 to 15 degrees below average, with some snowfall in Turkey disrupting flights and closing the airport for a time. But it's the mild that wins out for us as we head through the week. Atlantic weather fronts moving in, and that's why we have our band of rain this morning, but then it clears to one of sunshine and showers. So first thing this morning, there's our band of rain across the southeast of England, heavy for the next few hours, but it soon clears away. Then Scotland, Northern Ireland, England and Wales, sunny spells and scattered showers, some gusty winds as they come through. But in between the showers and the sunshine, yet again, temperatures above average across the board. 9s and 10s in the north, 13 to 14 in the south. This evening and overnight tonight, the skies are clearer, the winds are lighter. So it sets us up for a chilly start tomorrow. And Tuesday starts off fine and dry, but yet again, tomorrow is one of sunshine and showers and feeling that bit chillier. Good morning to you. Well, the weather has changed pretty significantly since the weekend, where on Saturday we got to 17 degrees Celsius across the UK, temperatures way above average, and there's a real divide across Europe. Western areas have this mild air with temperatures still above average for the next few days, but significantly below average through eastern areas of Europe, 10 to 15 degrees below average. We've had heavy snowfall in Turkey with disruption and delays at the airport, and this cold air is heading its way into Syria and Iraq over the next few days, and it could be a pretty major story for them with these very low and even sometimes sub-zero temperatures. But what it means for us in the west is low pressure is dominating, and it's the southwesterly flow from the Atlantic that brought the mild air over the weekend. But a change in type through the next few days because it turns wetter and windier. So temperatures will drop a little, still below average for the outlook. But for many of us, it is turning wetter. And talking of wet, it was a wet start to the day. First thing this morning, we still have a heavy band of rain around, but then it clears through and it's one of sunshine and showers. So this is the very latest satellite and radar. You can see the rain here, the blue, the yellows and greens showing where it's heaviest across the far southeast of England. That will clear away in the next few hours. There were weather warnings in force. They've all now expired. And then once it clears away, the skies will brighten. But it's a day of sunny spells and scattered showers. So don't leave the house without an umbrella, because if you're out for any length of time later today, you'll get caught in some of these showers. In between, in the sunshine, we're looking at 9 to 14 degrees, still above average, but not as warm as it was over the weekend. So let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days. So this is our 7-day outlook, where our weekend is always in view. And we split the country in half. Across the north of the UK, so Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, this white line here in the middle shows where our temperatures should be for the time of year, and it stays above average. Today, probably mildest, but the outlook remains way above average. But we have the Atlantic battling back with weather fronts queuing up. So today we have our heavy showers around. Tomorrow is that bit drier. Wednesday looks like we see more in the way of wet weather. We end the working week dry, but it looks at the moment that the weekend is turning wetter and windier yet again. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days, again looking at our trend in temperatures. And the average for the time of year is around about 8 degrees Celsius. So when we had our 17 at the weekend, that is way above average. We're pretty much double digits through the week. This is the average high for many of us across the south of the UK. But if we look at our percentage charts of rainfall, with this milder weather comes some wetter conditions over the next few days. No warnings in force at the moment for any of these, but we have our band of heavy rain around today. It clears. Tomorrow will be drier and brighter. A band of very heavy rain on Wednesday. Wednesday is our wettest day of the week. But from Thursday onwards, in the south, we have the southwesterly flow, high pressure close by, and the outlook is drier. So for many of us, turning more unsettled, but also mild.